If I could go back, I'd do it differently. This is the middle in between the two rooms.
Yeah. That's scary.
Originally, I wasn't sure if I was going to actually have to replace the sills, so I was scabbing the bottom plate on piece by piece, even though it's better to do it just one continuous long piece. You know, so going forward, since it looks like I got to replace all the sills, what I'm going to do is do that first and then replace the upper side. When I initially started just scabbing in the wall, the studs, I didn't realize how bad it was. Let's see. Nope, that's the wrong way. Oops, that's the wrong way. Scabbed in. If I could go back, I'd do it differently. I would replace the rim joist and in joist first. The other thing I'd do is I wouldn't have scabbed in all the studs. I would have actually laid down my plates all the way after I did a complete demo. Maybe put a brace up to hold up the wall while I was demoing out everything.